Hi and welcome everybody to a new video on Valentin's Photo Paradise. Today I'll be showing you how to use and load the Canon Prima BF-7. Let's get into it. This is just a quick reminder that I'll be showing you photos that I took with the camera at the end of the video. So let us start with loading the camera. What you're gonna do is you're gonna switch the camera over to the side, and then you have this little lever that you push down, open up the back of the camera, put your film canister to the right side, and then you go over here. You can see the marking right here. It says film, how much you're supposed to put in. That's the amount we're gonna do. And then all you do is close the camera, open up this little lever at the front. As you can see, if you loaded the film correctly, the film counter window is going to show a 1 right here. So that's how you know that you loaded it correctly. And then let's talk about the main functions of the camera, starting with the top of the camera. You can see 3 buttons right here. This is your exposure button or shutter button. So you're pressing the button, the camera is going to take a photo. And here you have the self timer, which you're going to be pressing when the camera flash is flashing. And all you have to do is wait a couple of seconds. Now it's flashing fast, and then boom, there you go, took a picture. This button right here is the film rewind button. When you have not fully exposed the roll, you can just press it, and as you can see on the camera strap, there's this little button right here, which you can press, and then you're going to rewind the film. Lastly, on the front of the camera, you also have 3 buttons. You have this lens cover button, which is also the on and off switch. So once you open it up, you can take a picture. And then these 2 buttons right here are the flash off button and the flash on button. So if you press this button, as I'm doing so right now, and you press the shutter release, it's gonna flash. And the same goes for this. If you hold this, it's not gonna activate the flash. On the bottom of the camera, you have a tripod socket that you can use, and you also, to turn off the camera, have your battery compartment, which the camera takes 2 AA batteries. You just insert them, the minus and the plus. So the battery is going like this. Then you close the battery compartment by pulling this back, pushing it down. There you go. You have it closed nice and tight. And then if you decide to, you say you finished the roll, I'm just going to press this button right here. The camera is going to rewind the film. You can see it rewinding right here. And then at some point you'll hear this noise it makes, and you know the rewinding process is finished. So all you do is, as before, you just pull down this lever, open up the back, take out your film canister, and bring your film to the lab to get it developed. So yeah, thank you everybody for watching this video. I hope you have a lot of fun with your Canon Prima BF-7. It's a beautiful camera for me personally. The best thing about it is definitely the viewfinder window, because it's so huge. Such a beautiful viewfinder, and it's a nice little compact camera to take with you. So yeah, have fun everybody, thank you for watching, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.